traveled all over the state. I visited all the 39 constituencies. The mood of the Tamil Nadu voters is definitely the DMK alliance, our India Party alliance, will sweep the election.
मोबाइल जी कुछ बिना लेते सर ஒரு நிமிஷம் சார் தட்டிக்கு உள்ள போறீங்க தள்ளி போங்க வழி இல்லைங்களா
Everyone should participate. They should know about their candidates. There is myneta.com. There is Arapur Iyakam. We can know their candidates well before they come and cast their vote.
Everybody has to come out and vote. They should not think it's a holiday. Everybody know your constituency, know your candidates, and please come and vote. It's very, very important.
sir